Thoughtful leadership emphasizes careful consideration, empathy, and a deep understanding of the needs and perspectives of others. It goes beyond simply making decisions and exerting authority. Instead, a thoughtful leader focuses on fostering positive relationships, promoting collaboration, and generating meaningful impact. Here are 5 ways you can cultivate thoughtful leadership. Develop self-awareness. Reflect on your own values, strengths, weaknesses, and biases. Understand how your actions and decisions impact others. Regularly seek feedback from others to gain insights. Cultivate empathy. Do your best to genuinely understand perspectives and experiences of others. Listen actively and without judgment. Show compassion and empathy, acknowledging their emotions and challenges. Active listening. Give your full attention to others. Maintain eye contact, ask clarifying questions, and show genuine interest in their thoughts and ideas. Avoid interrupting or jumping to conclusions. Foster inclusivity. Create an inclusive and supportive work environment where everyone's contributions are valued. Encourage diversity of thought and foster collaboration via open communication, team-building activities, and shared decision-making. Lead with integrity. Act with integrity always. Be transparent, honest, and fair in your interactions. Set high ethical standards and hold yourself accountable. Becoming a thoughtful leader is an ongoing process that requires self-reflection, learning, and consistent effort. Embrace the journey, be patient with yourself, and celebrate your progress along the way.